Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. The display names on Roblox have just been released and they're really easy to put on your username actually, so I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. If you guys don't like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, okay, so as I said before, this new update has been released on Roblox that's is actually the display name. So you can have a username and a separate display name. It's just like you can do on Twitter or I think on Instagram. I'm not too sure about that, but I'm 100% sure it's on Twitter, and I'm pretty sure it's on Instagram too. I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments if you can actually do this on Instagram to have a display name. So now Roblox has those two. I'm not too sure what the reason for this is. Maybe because all good usernames are being taken over time. So yeah, I think that's probably the main reason for it. So yeah. But before we get into the video, I need to tell you about the giveaways that I'm hosting right now on this channel. They're really easy to enter. You just like the video, subscribe to the channel, then go into the description and join my Discord server. And once you've done that, just comment I did all the steps and maybe you can win. Okay, so how you actually want to do this is you want to go to a webpage right here. You're gonna look up this VPN. So you need a VPN. It's called Windscribe VPN. You can get it right here for any of the platforms you use: Chrome, Windows, Mac, Linux, pretty much anything you can imagine. If you scroll down, there's even more of them for different browsers, so you can get it pretty much any way you want. So that's what you're gonna do first. I'm not actually gonna do it, but I'm gonna show you how to get it normally. So you have to go over to profile, and then once you're on your profile, you're gonna see the setting. No, you have to go to the settings in the top right corner, and then settings right here. So yeah, the thing is, where you see the username, it's trendplayz here. So that's actually what you're gonna do. That's actually that's actually above it will say display name. So that's actually what you're gonna want to do. Sorry for the Discord things right there. So that's all you need to do to get this display name. I really hope you guys did enjoy. If so, make sure to drop a like. I really appreciate them. I hope to see you guys next time, because I will make more tutorials like this and also Roblox code videos, event videos and more. So I hope to see you then, and goodbye.